How to hide banking apps on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide banking apps on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you will see the banking app. First locate your banking app. After you locate your banking app, what you can then do is long press on the banking app and there you'll see an option called require face ID. Tap on require face ID and there you'll see two different options now. One is to simply require the face ID to access the app. The other is to hide and then require the face ID. What this will do is when you type on hide and require face ID, it'll just scan your face ID, then tap on the hide app, and the app is now hidden. You won't find it anywhere, not even on your app library. As you can see, if I search for my bank, as you can see, there is no bank right here. Now, what you can do to now finally find the bank and to access it is simply head over to your app library again, scroll down all the way, and on the bottom right, you'll find the hidden app. What you can do is tap on the hidden app option and you will then have to go through your face ID. Tap on it and your face ID will scan and there you can see the bank is right there. And that's basically how you can hide your banking apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.